Welcome. If you want to turn on or turn off autocorrection in your XIAOMI Mi 10T, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next you have to scroll down and find additional settings. Tap on the languages input, select to go for the current keyboard, and you have to set it up as a Gboard. Now go to manage keyboards, click on the settings, tap on the text correction, and as you can see here we got the autocorrection, so we can simply turn it off by tapping on switch and turn it on. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!